Ever wonder about those people that go to a 7-Eleven or a mini mart and actually carry a cart? Well, wonder no more. Look at the beautiful color of our hallway because of this beautiful evening sky. This is the perfect time to step outside the front door and really enjoy it. It's a new day, my good friends in YouTube land, all 100 of you. We are taking this route today up to Kintamani. It's a 2-hour and 17-minute ride that we chose because it goes closer to the volcano, which is Mount Batur, which is there next to Lake Batur. So some good views there, some good pictures, hopefully some good video. As you can see, our route going through Ubud from Denpasar. It's gonna be a great day. This is going to be an overnight trip. It's about a 2-hour haul through some mountainous terrain. We're going to have some fun. The cat is all set. Extra food, extra water, sand good to go. Everything's clean. Alright, we are packed tight. I had to squeeze this thing down. So GPS is ready to roll. We got the beat over here, and it looks like she's pretty well packed full as well. Alright. Give me your honest opinion. What do you think of the helmet and shades? It's not to be cool. I actually need it because my eyeballs get sunburned. Alright, we got gas. Time to rock. Okay, so the ride's been great so far. We're about 20 minutes north of Denpasar, and the traffic today is just smooth and nice, just the way I like it. So yeah, just check it in. It's been a great ride so far. Nothing really to see yet, but totally smooth sailing. Big truck. This is the best. Light traffic, smooth sailing, fresh air, open fields. My favorite part of riding Bali. Well, out in the mountains. Alright, we're getting into some fun territory now. Oh, some nice shade. That feels great. Kind of stuck behind this Suzuki truck, but I think we're gonna blast past him now. Yeehaw! Oh shit, wrong way. Okay, this is what happens when you go the wrong way and you gotta correct your way. Woohoo! What a neat bridge. Everybody's been stuck behind this truck up here for about the last 5 minutes, conservatively, and I'm always cautious about passing, but let's see what we can do here pretty soon. Oh yeah, here we go. Alright, so we've pulled off the road here in pretty much the middle of nowhere. Ain't it great? Anyway, ooh, angry dog. Sorry, puppy. We're just borrowing your stuff. Anyway, we needed to stop here because we got to set the GPS again to our homestay that we're going to stay in tonight. But we wanted to make sure to make different routes so we can see different things along the way. I'm gonna enjoy a nice vape and stretch my legs, but that was a great ride. I mean, it only took us about maybe an hour to get out here. Alright, so we're doing a quick camera check. And a supplies check. Everything's looking good. As you can see how tight we were packed under the seat. Not to mention we're carrying 8 liters of gas under there. The PCX did phenomenal on this ride. Really good gas mileage and handled the hills just fine. Totally adequate power, especially with 2 of us on there and it loaded down. And of course, Beatty, as Sweetie calls it, the Honda Beat did great as well. Here's a little road to anybody's guess where. And this is the road we came off of, coming from that direction. And when we pull out, I think we'll be going on up the hill still, but it'll depend on what our new GPS location is. Alright, we've got the new coordinates set. We are headed to Lake Batur. And with that said, as we are ready to ride on, we hope you enjoyed this little stop in the middle of nowhere. So before we leave, I just want you to see that some of the clouds are getting dark, like there might be some lightning. Okay, so headed out of the first major stop. Now we're headed over to Lake Batur. Let's rock and roll and do this. Alright, so we're on a detour now. Looking for the hotel first, and then we'll go to Batur later because some security guys just tried to rip us off for $200,000 just to go up one road. So forget it. So we're taking a different route, trying something else. Alright, well, as you can see, it started to rain, so I'm decked out in my rain gear. And I got a story to tell you later about how we tried to get past these dudes who wanted money. But anyway, we're going to the hotel to check in. Alright, everybody's got their rain gear. Back on the road we go, continue the adventure. Alright, 36 minutes to the hotel. You can see as we look toward Batur, it's covered with clouds. And it's starting to rain pretty good. Alright, so we just got totally drenched from that ride. And we made it to the homestay. And it's beautiful. It was worth all of that crazy rain riding. This is looking right off our homestay. This is a double room. So there's Mama and I's bed. There's the girls' bed. Got nice fresh towels and soap. And if you come out here, you can see we are parked. And here is the bathroom, which looks fantastic and clean. Standard Indonesian toilet. Basic shower. Got a place to keep the helmets. And what you've all been waiting for, walk out to our back porch, which you can see we have a nice place to sit down and relax. Listen to some Rush, drink some Bintang. This is right out our back door. Absolutely beautiful. You can even see the ocean way out there. Probably not with this camera, but it's there. As you can see, the girls are getting serious about their photography here. And something that I really enjoy, I just handed him the cash. He said, we don't have to do any paperwork. Just enjoy yourself, make yourself at home. That's the part that I love about being here in Indonesia. Check it out, we've got a rainbow. So see, I got a blanket on because it is actually cold, and I can't believe I'm saying this because I'm always complaining that it's too hot in Bali. But here in Kintamani, up on this mountain, it is cold, especially at night. And we just rode to get dinner about not even, 5-6 minutes, and it was twisty and pitch black, which really made the PCX high beams shine. Good job. This is Indonesian style dining, where you just pick a spot on the floor and go for it. Now these plates here, the owner of this hotel cooked this for us. That's mie goreng, nasi goreng, and then we rode to get ACK fried chicken. Riding a long time, especially when the weather's bad and you're really just controlling a lot of things and you got a loaded down bike, it takes a lot out of you. So good night. It's a new day. Good morning. I haven't showered yet or had breakfast or anything like that, but come outside and see all our drying clothes. But better yet, see all this. Look at that. Even my shoes need to dry. And our backpack. And my wallet. Now we've come up the driveway, which is really steep and fun to ride out of. Oh, and there's a doggy in the street. Hi, doggy. Bye, doggy. Oh, you want attention, don't you? Okay, anyway, this is our guest house. It's called the Rest Area Guest House. That's the road that we came in on right there. I don't think we'll be going out that way, but who knows? We're mighty adventurous. There's more stairs and a lot of water on the ground, but let's go check it out. And here we are. Wow, look at this. This side. This side. Okay, so we're having a little dispute here about directions. I thought this was south. Apparently it's not. Apparently that's west and northwest going to Singaraja and Lavina, which means that this would be north, which is why the ocean is right up there, which means that this would be east and northeast. This way would be Mount Agung and Ahmed, which means this would be south. I guess that makes sense. It's the way we came in, but there were so many curves on the road, it's hard to tell. A lot of S-curves getting here. This is the jet fuel for when helicopters land on the roof. No, I'm kidding. It's for water. But over here is one hell of a big spider, if you can see it. There's one road headed out. Here's the road we came in on. And I found an even bigger one. Actually, two of them. Alright, last blast from the roof before a red ant eats my foot. And there you have it. Kintamani Bali. And the wonderful rooftop of the Rest Area homestay that we stayed like a home in. This is like that door in a movie when you're stuck on the roof and the killer's after you. Well, I already took him out, so I'm going downstairs. Through the mystery door we go.
Oh, Daddy shaving. Sorry.
Okay, so we stopped, we spent 15 minutes completely getting rid of all this rain gear, and it felt great to have it off. Then it started pouring again. So we stopped.